Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University, Islamabad School, Sahiwal Campus, online lectures. Students, this is the lecture of grade 6 Geography, unit number 7, and the unit name is Bird Population. Students, this is the second lecture of this unit. Today we will read about the structure of population and population growth. Students, first of all, write down serial number, date and topic question answers on your geography notebook. Students, before we begin with the reading, make sure you have geography book, notebook and your stationery with you. Listen to the teacher attentively. Note down the points you don't understand and contact us on WhatsApp through voice note for any query. Students, now open book page number 89. Our topic is structure of the population. Structure of the population involves the study of sex and age. According to sex, population can be divided into two groups, which are first one is male population and the second one is female population. According to age, population can be divided into three groups, which are children up to 15 years, second is adults 15 to 60 years, and the third one is aged more than 60 years. Students, usually sex and age are studied together, which is called सेक्स एज स्ट्रक्चर. सेक्स और एज को इकट्ठे ही स्टडी किया जाता है अमूमन, और जो कि क्या कहलाता है, सेक्स एज स्ट्रक्चर. इट टेल्स अस वेदर द मेल्स आर डोमिनेंट इन द पॉपुलेशन और फीमेल्स. ये हमें हमारी जो सोसाइटी है, हमारी आबादी पॉपुलेशन, वहाँ डोमिनेशन के बारे में बताता है कि मेल्स ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट हैं या फीमेल्स. व्हाट इज़ द परसेंटेज ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, adults and aged in the population? The sex age structure is more developed in more developed countries is different from less developed countries. Sex age structure of more developed countries, we can see this structure in a table, and the table is given here. First of all, we will see the country, and then population in millions, sex, age, and sex according to male in percentage and female percentage, children percentage according to age, adults percentage and aged percentage. First of all, we will see the country Japan. Its population is 128 million, and the male is 43%, female are 57%, children are 15%, adults are 53%, and the aged persons are 32%. Then Germany. The population of Germany is 82 million. Males are 47%, females are 53%, children are 13%, adults are 57%, and the aged are 30%. The low percentage of children in more developed countries indicates that the population growth rate is very low. जैसा कि हम पिछली स्लाइड में पढ़ चुके हैं कि जो ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ बहुत ही कम है बनिस्बत लो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ के. नाउ सेक्स एज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़। हम सेक्स एज स्ट्रक्चर जो कि लो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ का है वो भी एक टेबल की शक्ल में देखेंगे। कंट्री, देन पॉपुलेशन इन मिलियंस, सेक्स एज, sex according to male percent and female percent, age according to children percent, adults percent and aged percent. First country is Liberia, which population is 4 million and males are 53%, females are 47%. The children are 47%, adults are 44% and the aged persons are 9%. The second country is Uganda. Its population is 32 million. Males are 50%, females are 50%, children are 44%, adults are 53% and the aged persons are 3%. So the high percentage of children in low developed countries is indicating that population growth rate is very high. Now we will talk about the population growth. At the start of the year, the total population of the world was about 300 million, which became 6 billion in 1999. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वर्ल्ड के आगाज़ से 1999 तक जो आबादी थी, जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन है, वो डबल हो गई, दुगनी हो गई। एट प्रेजेंट द पॉपुलेशन इज़ ग्रोइंग एट द रेट ऑफ 1.17% एनुअली. इट इज़ एस्टिमेटेड दैट population would be 7 billion somewhere between 2011 and 2015. The rate of population growth is different in different countries. In less developed countries, it is very high, especially in African countries. जो कंट्रीज़ ज़्यादा डेवलप नहीं है, जहाँ एजुकेशन भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, वहाँ की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो ज़्यादा है बनिस्बत मोर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ के. The rate of population growth in more developed countries is very low. There is an increase of about 80 million persons in the world population every year. It means that about 6.6 million persons every month, about 2,20,000 persons every day, and about 9,170 persons every hour are adding up in the total population. Now students, note down your homework. First of all, open your diary. Write down date, subject which is geography, and write down your diary. Students, now open book page number 102. Write short question number 2 and 3 and long question number 4. स्टूडेंट्स नोट डाउन कर लें जो आपका शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, डिवाइड पॉपुलेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू एज ग्रुप्स. इसका आंसर आप नोट डाउन कर लें पेज नंबर 89 पे. इसका आंसर है अकॉर्डिंग टू एज population can be divided into 3 groups, which are children up to 15 years, adults 15 to 60 years, and aged more than 60 years. स्टूडेंट्स, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर नोट कर लें. अब आप शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखें. नेम 4 कंट्रीज ऑफ हाई एंड लो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट ईच. इसका आंसर नोट कर लें पेज नंबर 90. पेज नंबर 80। Japan and Germany are two countries which are more developed countries, and Uganda and Liberia are two countries which are low developed countries. So students, अब लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ये नोट डाउन कर लें। राइट अ नोट ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन। पेज नंबर 89 ओपन करें अपनी बुक में। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, ये पूरा टॉपिक आपने अपने लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में करना है। पेज नंबर 90 में सेक्स एज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज तक। स्टूडेंट्स, write these questions on your geography homework notebook and also learn population growth. Students, this is the end of our lesson. Allah Hafiz.